You don't like the lettuce?
Mmm, yum. Mmm. No.
Angel, come on.
You don't like it?
What you think? Where's the others?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take it out.
All right. Ooh, carrots. Ooh.
You like it?
Oh, you like the carrots.
Angel, go sit back down. Go sit back down.
You like the carrots?
Oh, wait, no.
Yeah.
Next.
A chicken stick. Ooh, what do you think about that one? Oh, what's going on? Why did you hide it from us? You didn't want to eat it on the plate? Oh. Ooh, look at that. That looks good. Ooh. Ooh. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
You want me to hold it up for you?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Ooh. That looks good. Oh, you didn't? Oh, you don't? Ooh, that's good. Oh, you don't like that one.
It'll let you do that.
Oh.
Oh, Angel.
Okay. What do you think about those? Oh, you like that. I like the dog food. I like that one. Okay, well that's a winner. All right. Apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Oh. That was nasty. Angel.
Ooh, you like apples.
Ew, the dog food came out of her mouth.
Oh yeah.
Did you want the other one? Oh, okay. Did you fart?
Angel, you're clearing out the house.
Come on, baby. Sit. Good girl. Okay, get up.
Okay.
Oh, she laid down. You were next.
Don't smack, Angel. You know what that is? Ooh. Oh, no more. No more of that. Okay.
What do you think they're doing, baby?
Oh, we should try it this way.
Why are you going to put down? Angel. So lettuce covered in peanut butter? Here, have some lettuce. Plate.
You're eating around the lettuce, Angel. You're supposed to have vegetables, Angel.
You ate it! She's like, wait a minute.
What just happened here? Oh, I guess I had to eat that to get to this.
Oh, okay.
Oh, boy.
Big bites.
Oh, Angel.
You okay?
Whoa.
Like, okay. Need your little mini salad.
Oh, some more lettuce and carrots.
Push it in. That's why you can't get it over. Wait, okay, calm down.
Make sure to eat your vegetables too, Angel, not just the peanut butter. Oh, the carrots keep falling.
Oh, the carrots came out.
Oh, wow. Is she grabbing it?
She-
Oh, you got some more lettuce.
Oh, you ate the carrot. No, did you? No, you didn't. Eat the carrot. Eat the carrot.